These are tubes of oil paint. This is a tube wringer to ensure you get all of the paint out of your tube. Palette knives. Palette knives are used to mix paint. Don't mix paint with your brushes. It's disrespectful to the brush. Honor your brushes. Paint scraper. This is a different paint scraper, which works better with wet paint than dry, as we can see here. This is a studio cat. Studio cats excel at offering unsolicited critiques about your aesthetic choices and falling asleep in high-traffic areas. To the left, linseed oil. This is the binder in oil paint. A binder is the substance which holds pigment together. To the right, turpenoid. Turpenoid is a vehicle which breaks apart the bond created by the binder. Always use this to clean your brushes instead of turpentine, paint thinner, or other hazardous solvents. These are some paint brushes. Paint brushes are a painter's best friend, and a quality brush can last for years, especially when you remember not to mix paint with them. It's always a good idea to separate your oil and acrylic brushes. Bigger brushes are useful for gessoing canvas or painting large areas. You can purchase these beautiful babies at any hardware store. Pigment falling through turpenoid, an apt metaphor for our own feeble existence as mercurial particles hurtling through the ether and subject to whims beyond our control. This has been the first installment of Painting Materials, an inventory. Please join us next time.